Yo, what's up everyone? So we are going to Posh Customs to wrap a Tesla Model 3 because we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna make it look funky as hell. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna strip the hell out of the car. So I'm gonna hand you over to my twin brother, Huafu, who will be taking on proceedings from now on. So Huafu, over to you, man. Can you make a Tesla cool? That's what we're gonna do, people. Back with an update, so it's clearly a different day because I'm wearing a different top. So let me show you guys what has been done so far as a recap. This car is looking proper sick. This door has already been done. As you can see, it is as good as new. Close the door. Very, very sick. Black door handles. And then if you go on this side,
all done from one piece.
Look at that. One piece wrap from there all the way down here. This literally looks like paint and feels like paint as well. So sick. When you go around here, there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Feels so nice, so nice. And then we got the hood also wrapped. The next bit they're gonna do is this front bumper is also obviously gonna get wrapped as well. Basically wrapping the car, you gotta strip the whole thing, take all the little pieces out of the car, screws, nuts and bolts, doors have to come off, wheels gotta come off, and then after the wrap, you gotta put everything back on the car again. Yeah, it's a lot of work. So when you're wrapping a car, like different cars present different challenges, right? For the Tesla Model 3, the biggest challenge was wrapping the door shut, and that takes some time. The reason why it took so long is because these guys are doing that in one piece, not little itty bitty pieces. One piece wraps are more difficult to do than say, you know, when you cut the small pieces because it looks better and it's more seamless. But it's going very, very well. I think the car's looking sick, and I think the owner is going to be incredibly impressed. Or should I say his girl, because she came in here, saw his car, liked the color. She was like, you know what, man? I want what he has. And that's what she went for. And that's what we're doing right now.
Normally what we do,
yeah.
The doors, we always spray with plastic dip.
Okay.
Because you see the shape of the door is quite curvy and...
so it's difficult to wrap.
It's maybe not really difficult, but
yeah.
Start bubbling a few places. So from now on we always spray plastic dip, which is from one piece, never bubbling, never peeling, and looks good.
It is finish time. The next time I want to see you guys is when the customer gets here to pick it up. And yeah, that should be awesome.
Not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, had a less impressive, also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete a jacket, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing, so I work the winnings and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, bucket tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a.
Oh my God! It's so sick. That color is gorgeous.
So good.
The color is so beautiful.
So yeah, you picked well, huh?
Yes, we did indeed. Guys, come here if you want to get your car right.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah. Mad. So good.
So beautiful. It literally looks like another car. It doesn't look like... This used to be white.
Still going up.
It's so gorgeous. Hi everybody. So we just got the Tesla Model 3 like a week ago. We purchased in a white color, and as soon as I purchased it, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna keep the white. And I decided to go for this gray, dark gray satin color. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I love this color. The color is so beautiful, and this car now, it looks like a different car. I'm super happy with the result. These guys are amazing.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.